How to extend partition without data loss. Select the partition you want to expand in DiskGenius. Click Partition, Extend Partition. Select a partition that contains large amount of free space and click OK. Set partition size you want to move between these two partitions and click Start. Read the instructions carefully. Click Yes to continue. After clicking Yes, DiskGenius will start to extend this partition. Click Complete button when the partition is extended successfully. The partition is then extended successfully.